Do you have problems finding employees that you train and you finally get them up to speed and they don't really stick around for very long, and then you end up just having to start the whole process again? Well, I got good news for you. At Trouble-Free Employees, we pay our employees extremely well. In many cases, here in the Philippines, we actually pay our employees more than doctors actually make here. So we very, very, very rarely have anybody that ends up leaving us because they look at what we do here as a career. What this translates to for you is that you can have extremely reliable, extremely competent people that will take your tasks that many domestic workers view as rather menial sort of things that they're looking to use as a stepping stone towards bigger and better things. They will take these tasks as their career. They will take everything very, very seriously. So we can help you get really, really good people that are going to be able to help you with all kinds of things, such as insurance verification, creating your day sheets, check-ins, really anything that can be done with a phone or a computer. We even have had people that have done video conferencing where they've basically had like a Skype sort of situation up where you can do video back and forth to be able to do things that used to be done by people inside the office. So there's a tremendous amount of running room as far as what you can do in the medical field, and we can really help save you a lot of money, save you a lot of hassle, save you a lot of headaches, and keep you from having to retrain anyone. One of the things that's really good about what we do is we have a documentation process with our tasks. We refer to it as the one and done principle, where we want to make it ideally where our clients, you, never have to explain anything more than once. One and done. So we record all the different training conversations and different things that happen, and then we document everything out, which makes it to where if you ever want to add another person onto your team, if you're, say, growing your office and scaling up, you want to get a second person and a third person and a fourth person, you really don't have to take that much time to train these additional people, because the first person that you train is able to take care of the training for the additional people that get added onto the team. They can go over the initial recordings with them, so it's almost as if they were there talking with you originally, and then they can show them how to do the task, so they can take that part of it away from what you need to do to free you up to do other things, to provide quality care for your patients, which should be the main priority of every medical office that's out there. So if you have any questions, get in touch with us. If you'd like to sign up, please fill out the form below, and we'll get started as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.